Hi guys, thanks for stopping by and let me show you what I've got in store for you for the month of June. Now, this is a new stamp set, the months of the year for the month of June, so I'm going to bring this one in for sure. And then don't forget, this is like kind of use your scraps and use your stash. So out of my stash, I've pulled out these two great stamp set, and yes, unfortunately, I've had a lot of questions about this one here. It is retired. And this one is retired as well. And as you can see, I've used the script background quite a bit in my project. I really do like that one. These are my go-to to create titles and journaling. I really like these for this format of book. So speaking of the book, it's pretty full. We're going to hit the halfway mark for the month of June, believe it or not. So this project is moving along quite quickly. So I've got brand new sketches for you. I've got 4 new sketches. These two here are going to fit really nicely inside your book, so in the center of your 4 weeks. And speaking of that, if you were watching the preparation video for the month of May, I did refer back to having 5 weeks in the month of May. But in my case, I did not take pictures on the 30th and 31st. So my pictures are here in June. So my 5 weeks are actually going to fall in the month of June. So I'm not sure how you're taking your pictures, but for me, I start on Sunday and I make them run all the way to the end of the week. Now you can cheat a little bit. I won't tell anybody, I promise. So let's take a look at our reference book here, because now we've got quite a bit of sketches to play with. These are the ones for the month of January. February is right here. And then we've got March, April. We just completed May together. And I'm bringing in 4 new sketches for the month of June. Now, I didn't really know how this was all going to turn out, but to be honest with you, I'm quite happy and I'm really liking this project and the process of creating this album right here. So definitely we're going to need a second book. So here's my second book ready to go. And I also purchased these little label holders here, which are perfect because you get 2 in a pack, and I'll be able to put on here 2021, Volume 1, and Volume 2. So this is something that I'm pretty happy about. So let's go to my stash. So this is my leftover. And as you can see here, my sticker sheet is nice and full. I've only pulled out just a few of them, so I've got a lot to play with. I haven't used them yet, I'm not sure why. But I did do some layouts, like some 12 by 12 layouts. I did about 3 double layouts, and then I did a lot of cards. So I still have quite a bit of this paper here, and I am going to bring in the nice wood grain paper because it just works for any paper pack. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the month of June. So I hope that you're still taking your pictures and you're still playing along with me. As always, don't forget to take your pictures of the week, pick your favorite pictures, go through your scraps and look at stuff that makes you think of June, and start creating your layouts. They don't take a lot of time. They honestly, you can sit down and you can whip up a layout in less than 30 minutes, and that's with pictures. So as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and embarking on this 52-week project with me. Don't forget to take your picture, and I'll see you in the next video.